Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is to answer questions I've been having in the past few hours about a story on Bleeping Computer that Microsoft Windows 10 and 11 has a zero-day security flaw that was discovered. Actually, it was not. It's an old security flaw that was fixed in August, but the security researcher that had talked about it and had notified Microsoft said that the fix isn't complete and you can still bypass the fix to exploit that zero-day flaw and, of course, do whatever you want with the computer. And a lot of you have been asking me because there is a kind of a third-party fix. So there is a patch that is actually available from what they call the O-Patch micro patching service. And they have released an official patch that does fix the problem. And the patch is available for every version of Windows 10 that is available. And they don't talk about Windows 11 in here. So some of you have been saying, well, is it important for me to install that patch? I will be very fair on this. I am not a big fan of patches made by third-party, companies. I rather have the official patch that is going to be available by Microsoft. Microsoft did acknowledge they're working on a fix. And the reason why also I would not necessarily install that patch is that the security flaw is not a critical flaw. It is rated important. And important means if that is to happen on your machine, they actually need a way to kind of log into your system. They need to know some information. They can't really just exploit it. It's not a critical flaw that you just have to write the correct code and it works. In this case, you need to have credentials on logging to your admin account, for example. You need to have the elevation of privilege capability, which is not there. So, even though it's an important flaw, I would not install that third-party patch. Not that it is bad. It probably works fine. But I would wait for the one from Microsoft that I would guess, since it's a important flaw and not a critical flaw, might just be next patch Tuesday in December. But in case you guys see an article or come across the zero day that was discovered by, or actually kind of rediscovered from an old flaw, this is, I don't think you should necessarily go crazy over this for now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.